on the equity markets, the Nifty opened with a gap up today. However, it wasn't unable to sustain at higher levels, and the Nifty inched lower and ended the day with a 22-point cut in today's trading session. The market weight was also negative with 614 advances, 614 advances to 922 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had Hindustan Unilever, Tata Motors, ONGC, Reliance, DLF with losses in trade today, while HDFC, BHEL, Kotak Mahindra Bank, State Bank of India and BOB, that is Bank of Baroda, were some of the stocks which closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in a negative today. This negative close comes after 5 consecutive daily positive closes. In our earlier updates, we were anticipating that since the market has run up quite sharply and quite without any breaks, one after the other, 5 consecutive days of gains, we were expecting some kind of retracement, and today in today's trading session we have got that negative close. So today's high of 8065 becomes a crucial level to watch out for in the coming trading sessions. A move beyond 8065 can easily take the Nifty higher up till 8180 on the upside, which is the previous swing high. So 8065 becomes a crucial level to watch out for in the coming trading sessions. On the hourly charts, you can observe that the Nifty has faced resistance exactly at the 78.8% crucial Fibonacci retracement level, and has faced some selling pressure from that crucial resistance. The hourly momentum indicator is having a negative crossover. So in the coming trading sessions, though our short-term bias is positive and we expect higher levels on Nifty, in the coming trading sessions we might just see a correction in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The correction should terminate around the 7943 level, which is the 40-hour moving average, which is a crucial support. If the Nifty closes or sustains below this 7943 level, then the Nifty can slip down up till 7918 on the downside. 7918 is the 20 and 40 day moving averages. So that becomes a crucial support. So in the coming trading sessions, we maintain a positive bias, but we don't rule out some correction in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Overall, our view on the Nifty remains positive. It is possible that we might not just see a sharp correction, we might see a sideways consolidation in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. So we maintain a positive bias on Nifty for a target of 8055 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was comparatively stronger today with the likes of State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Yes Bank, some of the heavyweights of the Bank Nifty traded with a positive bias in today's trading session, and as a result of that we saw that reflecting in the chart of Bank Nifty as well, and the Bank Nifty has closed with gains today as compared to the benchmark Nifty closing with minor losses in trade today. So the Bank Nifty was outperformer in that sense in today's trading session. We maintain positive bias for Bank Nifty and we expect higher levels in Bank Nifty. Crucial resistances are placed at 16,616 and above that 16,820 can act as crucial resistance. On the downside, 16,400 and 16,280 are crucial supports. The bias for Bank Nifty is positive. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. In Nifty we can see some sideways consolidation or a retracement of the rise which we have seen since past 5 trading sessions excluding today's trading session. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 7943 and 7918. On the upside, today's high of 8065 is a crucial resistance to watch out for. That's all for the day. Thank you.